Welcome to digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support@digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about embroidery machine needles, complete guide. Embroidery machine needles play a vital role in ensuring the quality and precision of your embroidery projects. These seemingly small components are the backbone of smooth stitching and professional outcomes. Choosing the right needle not only affects the look of your design, but also prevents thread breakage, skipped stitches, and fabric damage. The objective of this guide is to provide a comprehensive understanding of embroidery machine needles, their types, and their uses, empowering you to make informed decisions for every project. Understanding embroidery machine needles. Embroidery machine needles differ from standard sewing needles in their construction and purpose. They are designed to accommodate the unique demands of embroidery, such as handling decorative threads and maintaining consistent tension. These needles typically have a larger eye, a specialized point, and a groove to ensure smooth stitching without damaging delicate threads or fabrics. Parts of an embroidery needle. To understand their functionality, let's look at the key parts of an embroidery needle. Shank, the upper part of the needle that fits into the machine. Embroidery needles typically have a flat or rounded shank depending on the machine model. Shaft, the main body of the needle that pierces the fabric. Groove, runs along the shaft, guiding the thread to prevent friction or breakage. Eye, larger in embroidery needles to accommodate specialty threads. Point, the tip of the needle which can vary in shape depending on the type of fabric being embroidered. Types of embroidery machine needles. Selecting the right needle type depends on the fabric and thread used. Here are some common types. Standard embroidery needles, ideal for general purpose embroidery on cotton, polyester, and blends. Ballpoint needles, perfect for knits and stretch fabrics as they glide between fibers without cutting them. Sharp needles, suitable for tightly woven fabrics offering precise penetration. Titanium-coated needles, known for durability, they are great for high-speed embroidery and metallic threads. Specialty needles, designed for unique threads like metallic or rayon, with features to prevent shredding. Needle sizes and their uses. Embroidery needles are available in various sizes, typically ranging from 65/9 to 110/18. The size refers to the diameter of the needle, with smaller numbers indicating thinner needles. Small needles, 65/9 to 75/11. Best for delicate fabrics like silk, chiffon, or organza. Medium needles, 80/12 to 90/14. Suitable for mid-weight fabrics such as cotton and linen. Large needles, 116 to 110/18. Ideal for heavy fabrics like denim or canvas. How to choose the right needle. When selecting an embroidery needle, consider the following factors. Fabric type, match the needle point and size to the fabric's weight and weave. The thread type, ensure the needle's eye is large enough for the thread to pass through smoothly. Design density, dense designs may require a sturdier needle to handle the increased stitch count. Signs, it's time to replace your needle. A worn-out needle can cause a range of issues, including skip stitches, uneven tension, and fabric damage. Replace your needle if you notice these problems or after 8 to 10 hours of continuous use to maintain optimal performance. Tips for optimal embroidery. Use high-quality needles designed for embroidery machines. Match the needle type to your project for the best results. Regularly inspect and replace your needles to prevent damage to your fabric and thread. Experiment with different needles for specialty threads and fabrics to find the perfect combination. By understanding the importance of the embroidery machine needles and choosing the right ones for your projects, you can elevate the quality of your work and achieve stunning results with ease. If you're looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.